Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about Microsoft Word's Protect document using a password. There are times when we have sensitive information in a document that only you and certain people can read or edit. Using the Words Protect document, we can take steps to secure the file. Open or compose a new Word document. On the upper right, click File, then choose Info. Select the Protect document tile and then choose Encrypt with Password. Enter a password. Passwords are case sensitive and can be a maximum of 15 characters long. If you lose or forget your password, Word won't be able to recover it for you. Be sure to keep a copy of your password in a safe place or create a strong password that you'll remember. Re-enter the password and click OK. Notice that the Protect Document section is now highlighted, indicating that it is already enabled. Save the file to make sure that the password takes effect. Whenever the file is open, it should prompt for a password to access the document. There you have it, safe and secure. Remember, security is always an utmost priority. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.